Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw the Brat from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw his head with a curved line across at that point. And from the sides, I'm gonna draw a line upwards on the left and right. And in the middle point right there, I'm gonna draw a circular shape across. And below that, in the middle right here, I'm gonna draw a line up, curved line across to the right, and from the bottom point, a line upwards, semicircle turn in the middle point, turn it back down on the left side right there. Below the head at the side, I'm gonna draw a line down and a line across at that point for the sunglasses, and turn it downwards at the side, back in, and I'm gonna draw a circular shape at that corner for the right side of the glasses, and a line across at the top point. We're gonna do the same shape on the right side right here. And in the middle of those two circle shapes, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at that point. At the side on the left, I'm gonna draw a line out, turn it up and sideways and back down, and sideways and up. Below the glasses on the left, I'm gonna draw a line downwards. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side right here. For the mouth, I'm gonna draw across a line in the middle point right there, and a circular shape below that. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there. Fill the upper section with black color. At the side of the face, I'm gonna draw a circle shape right there. And I'm gonna draw a series of curved line going to the middle, turn it downwards at the middle point right there, and for the buns at the side, I'm going to take this point at the outer corner and draw a curved line diagonally in, semicircle turn at that corner downwards, and extend it all the way around that corner. Semicircle turn back outwards at the bottom point, semicircle turn back up at the outer corner, all the way back to the side of the neck right there, semicircle turn at the top to the right. And I'm just gonna continue the line of the curved lines all the way down at this middle section right here, and on the left arm I'm gonna draw an oval shape at this corner right there. Below that, we're gonna draw two more oval shapes right there, another one below that, and curved line on both sides, curved line across at that point, line down on both sides, and an oval shape at that bottom point, a curved line inside of that oval at that corner, and a semi-oval shape downwards to the wrist. From the side of that, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side, turn it downwards, turn it slightly out, semicircular turn at the tip of the thumb, back up, sharp turn back down, diagonal turn to the right, semicircular turn at the tip, copy the same shape back up, and I'm gonna copy the same shape for the other fingers as well, and extend the side back to the left side of the wrist right there. I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the right side as well. So for the sausage around the neck, I'm gonna draw a string of oval shape. Right there. And before I draw the mustard on his tummy, I'm gonna draw the upper point of his pants with a curved line at that corner, another curved line at the bottom point right here, and one more at the bottom. For the buckle, I'm gonna draw a line down from this point and another line right there. And at the side, I'm gonna draw a few more lines downwards like that. And for the mustard, I'm gonna draw a curvy line like a snake shape all the way downwards. And at the bottom point, ending point right there, I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn. Copy the same shape back up. And semicircular turn at that tip right there. Now below the belt, I'm going to draw across a curved line at that point. For the pants, I'm going to draw a curved line from this line in the middle downwards. Flare it out below the knee slightly, turn it back in towards the ankle point, and we're gonna draw a curved line from this outer line, flare it out below the knee as well slightly, and turn it back in towards the ankle. And at the ankle point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line, a line down on both sides, and a line at the bottom point. Below that, continue the line of the leg, a line across for the socks, turn it downwards at the side, and then this corner I'm gonna draw a line up, semicircular turn to the right, semicircular turn back down, and in the middle point right here, a circle and a teardrop shape at the side, and another one inside of that. Copy the same shape on the right side right there. Below that, I'm gonna draw a crisscross knot right there, only two of them, and from the sides a line down, flare it out at the bottom, semicircular turn at the corner. Copy the same line on the right side right there, a line across at the bottom point, and at the sides below that, a line down, a line, a curved line across at the base. Going back up at the knee point, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape at that corner, and below that, a line across and a circular shape across at the bottom point. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line across and a curved line across below, and some zigzag line below that tear, and this one as well. Okay, below the belt in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides and a pocket with a curved line at the side of the pants. I'm gonna copy the whole leg shape on the right side. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!